Hello friends, this is Shailadeep Wagh back again. First of all, I would like to thank you for your response to our previous videos. Today I would like to share details on one of our innovative products, plastic sheets for gutters in greenhouses replacing metal sheets. So now let's go through the background scenario. The greenhouse industry is always set to improve production efficiency and at the same time reduce the cost of greenhouses by modifying structures and structural parts. Now let us try to understand why this innovation was necessary. So the metal or GI gutters has typical problems like difficult installation due to heavy weight, premature rusting and leakages, joints at every column grid in case of industrially pressed gutters, then transmission of heat to treasuring crops like capsicum, tomatoes, etc. So plastic has seen as a most efficient alternate solution to metal in this case. So Essen took a challenge to develop plastic sheets for gutters in greenhouses. The challenge was difficult as the competition was with GI gutters. Now let us try to understand how we did it. So the unique blend of various polyethylenes like LLDP, LDP, SDP, ULDP, etc. were carefully selected. The plastic materials used were pure virgin, highly UV stabilized and transparent. So the plastic gutters of different sizes were installed in greenhouses in Gujarat for a complete 1 year for trial purpose under observation. So it was observed that plastic gutters having width of 600 mm and thickness of 1.4 mm have good strength to withstand heavy rains of South Gujarat and at the same time arid climate of Saurashtra. Let's see the results. So these gutter sheets were installed for more than 3 years and were still found excellent in terms of quality and the desired output. Theoretically, the life of gutter sheets is more than 20 years as proportion with 4 years life of 200 micron covering films. However, for safety concerns, we are guaranteeing it for 5 years. So this means that the gutter sheets have to be changed with second change of top cladding films. Let's see the advantages of plastic gutters. The light transmission. Maximum light transmission through plastic gutters helping the plants for photosynthesis. Flexibility. It provides effortless and easy installation for workers and fabricators. Leakage free. A single piece gutter can be developed without any joints of any length and thereby minimizing the possibilities of leakage. Rust free. Plastic gutters are always rust free, thereby minimizing the possibilities of reducing the life of gutter by rusting. Cost. The cost of the plastic gutters is around 70% as that of GI gutters, thereby reducing the cost of greenhouse. Now let us try to compare these plastic gutters with GI gutters. So the first point of comparison is light transmission. So being plastic, it is transparent, so allows the maximum light transmission, thereby enabling more light for photosynthesis. In case of GI gutter, it is opaque and blocks the light, so not supporting the photosynthesis. So now the second point of comparison will be temperature. So since the plastic material don't absorb and transmit the heat, so the temperature under the greenhouse can be maintained to lower side. In case of GI gutters, as it absorbs and transmits the heat, the temperature under the greenhouses may be increased by 1 or 2 degrees centigrade. So now let us see the third point of comparison is fitting. So in case of plastic gutters, it may take 3-4 labors and saves the cost and no need of any special equipment for shape formation and all. So in case of GI gutters, it may need 10 to 15 labor with a specific machine for shape formation and all. Let's see the last point of comparison, which is material itself. So being plastic material, there is no possibility of rusting, whereas in case of GI, the rusting may start after certain period. Secondly, it is possible to add some properties like diffusion, anti-dust, anti-drip, etc. in case of plastic gutters, whereas in case of metal, it is not possible. Thirdly, it is possible to have jointless length to avoid leakages. In case of GI gutter, it may be costly and difficult to have jointless gutters. Thank you for watching our videos. Very soon we will be back with more videos on these topics. So if you have any questions, please raise your concerns in comment box. I request all of you to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. and do not forget to press bell icon so that you will get a notification once we upload a new video.